Welcome to the installation guide. Check the user manual to make sure all the components are present. Check the portable AC and see if any parts are missing. The control panel. Adjustable air direction. Easy to move. Easy access air filter. Extendable hose. The installation process is simple. Attach the rain shield. Fix the joint on the window panel. Attach the grate on the outside. Now adjust the panels to fit the window height. Apply the insulation sponge strips to both sides of the panel. Apply the side with adhesive to the panel. Apply the sponge strip without adhesive to the gap in the window. Connect the exhaust to the window side first. Install the wire hooks before connecting the exhaust to the AC. Connect the drain to a water bucket or extend the drain pipe to a sink. The direction of water flow should be downwards. Clean the air filter. Slide in the exhaust. Now you know everything about our portable AC.